Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Paysafe, a payment service provider that's available in many countries around the world. I'm going to start by asking a question. Have you ever heard of Paysafe? If not, don't worry, I'll explain what it is and how it works. What is Paysafe? Paysafe is a payment service provider that allows you to make online payments without having to share your personal financial information. This makes it a great option for people who are concerned about security or privacy. Paysafe offers a variety of payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, bank transfers, and prepaid cards. This makes it easy to find a payment method that's right for you. How does Paysafe work? When you make a payment with Paysafe, you simply enter your Paysafe account information. This information is then encrypted and sent to the merchant. The merchant then uses this information to process your payment. What are the benefits of using Paysafe? There are many benefits to using Paysafe, including security. Paysafe uses a variety of security measures to protect your personal information. Privacy. Paysafe doesn't share your personal financial information with merchants. Convenience. Paysafe is easy to use and offers a variety of payment methods. Affordability. Paysafe is a cost-effective way to make online payments. In which countries is Paysafe available? Paysafe is available in many countries around the world. Here are a few of the most popular countries: Australia, Austria, Belgium, Canada, Czech Republic, Denmark, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Hungary, Ireland, Italy, Japan, Luxembourg, Netherlands, New Zealand, Norway, Poland, Portugal, Romania, Russia, South Africa, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, Turkey, United Kingdom, United States. If you're not sure if Paysafe is available in your country, you can visit the Paysafe website and check the list of countries. How to sign up for a Paysafe account. If you're interested in using Paysafe, you can sign up for an account on the Paysafe website. The process is simple and only takes a few minutes. How to use Paysafe to make a payment. Once you have a Paysafe account, you can use it to make online payments. Here are the steps. Go to the website of the merchant you want to make a payment to. Select Paysafe as your payment method. Enter your Paysafe account information. Click the Submit button. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for using Paysafe. Be sure to check the exchange rate before making a payment. If you're making a payment to a merchant in a different currency, Paysafe will automatically convert the currency for you. However, the exchange rate may be different from the rate you would get if you used a credit card or debit card. Be sure to keep your Paysafe account information safe. This information includes your username, password, and security code. If you have any problems using Paysafe, contact their customer support team. Paysafe is a great payment service provider that's available in many countries around the world. It offers a variety of benefits, including security, privacy, convenience, and affordability. If you're looking for a safe and easy way to make online payments, Paysafe is a great option. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you learn more about Paysafe. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos about personal finance. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.